Today, I want to debunk a confusion, and people often ask me, am I an entrepreneur or am I a freelancer? Hi guys, this is Faye again. A lot of us start off working as a freelancer. A freelancer is someone who works on particular projects for specific clients, get paid while she works. While as an entrepreneur is someone who builds a business or businesses, basically build a business kind of beyond and more than herself. In the middle, what you'll notice is a lot of people are actually doing both. For example, like Krista Tibbett from On Being. She is definitely an integral player, a very important person for the On Being organization, but at the same time, she's also hired out as a speaker for different events, so she can work for somebody else. Meanwhile, she's also running her own business. And I think Pat Flynn is another example. Pat Flynn, who's the owner of Smart Passive Income. I absolutely love the podcast, and I'm a strong believer in affiliate marketing. But Pat Flynn started off his podcast after being laid off from his job as an architect way back when. He started the show in 2009. It was just a hobby, and he even showed a picture of his little workstation that was less than what we have here. Podcast picked up very quickly. He started to build an empire on his own called the Smart Passive Income. At some point, not long after, people realized that his website is really good looking, it's very functional. He started selling the WordPress theme that is still in the market today, very popular. And it's actually called the Smart Passive Income theme. I was at some point contemplating about using it because it's so popular and it's so well structured that works well for podcasters as well as podcasters with a business like ours. And as for Faye's World, over time, I shifted from working exclusively as a freelancer for clients and everything's project-based to building a business on my own. For example, starting a very small agency to hire videographers, sound engineers to be on the road with me, shooting these live concerts, recordings, and online courses for a lot of my clients. And these days, we're working in affiliate marketing and to really scale our business. And we're also building out online courses for Faye's World as well. So I hope this helps. If you still have questions, whether you are a freelancer or entrepreneur, please leave a comment below. I would love to see what you've been up to and how I can help further maybe dissect your specific situation. And I respond to all the comments on YouTube myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and please stay tuned for future mini episodes related to freelancing and how you can build your freedom career and live the life you want. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, maybe hit the notification button as well to stay tuned and not miss out on new video. I'm so grateful you're here. See you next time.